Hi, welcome to this video, and here I'm going to share with you how to use Flippa to identify your niche on a dropshipping or e-commerce website, right? So the same thing, all you need to do is just change it to dropshipping and Shopify. Um, I put minimum sales as a 1,000 a month. So this is where you get the results, right? The 70 results here. You can take a look at Ring to Perfection, making 6,000, sold it 120,000, super cool. Um, Bird cages making 1,000, sold it for 30,000. Amazing, yeah. My idea 6,000, sold it 125,000. So you can see that the ratio for drop shipping is a little bit lower compared to AdSense website. AdSense website you can sell for 20, 30 times, but drop shipping it is not much, yeah, not many, yeah. Not much. Okay, not a lot. Yeah? The ratio is about 10 times on average. Yeah? Now, why is it so? Yeah? Now, I believe it depends on the traffic because in dropshipping, most of the time people run ads. So when people run ads, once they stop running for advertisement, whether it's on Facebook or Google, the income stops. So those who rank and do dropshipping using SEO, I believe these are the top two or top three people like here. They can sell it for a lot of money. For example, these are birdcagesnow.com, right? So I will take a look at birdcagesnow.com and I can take a look at this is a website, something that you and I can build again. I believe this is a WordPress. It's all about articles, yeah. So you can see the articles, and also at the bottom of the article, they put their cages, right? So when I click on these cages, it goes to the product page, and I can actually purchase from it, yeah. So I believe this is done with e-commerce using WordPress. I think they're using WooCommerce, right? And you add to cart and you get the order, and they have the drop shipping all set up internally. So this is something that you and I can do. So what I have done is take a look at the how you call it, Ahref, yeah, and I look at their traffic. Their traffic, it is not bad, yeah. They have about hold on, yeah, about 10,000 traffic, and they generated about they sold for 30,000. Yeah, so it's cool. And how many keywords they are ranking for? You can take a look at organic keywords here. They are ranking for a lot of keywords, but you take a look at the keyword, the KD, the keyword difficulty, it is 1, 14, 2, 2, 1. So they're still targeting very similar, easy to rank keywords. They wrote an article for it, and once they write an article for it, they will link to their pages. Yeah, very smart, right? They wrote an article and then they link to the pages. And when people are interested, they click on it, they get traffic, and that is why people are willing to pay good money to buy these kind of websites, right? So this is how you reverse engineer. And let's take a look at um, how many pages they have, right? Oops. So they have about 165 pages, right? So I think it's okay. So the same thing, what I like to do, I like to, put it here in my sheet. Yeah, bird cages, they're making an average per 1,000, sold it for 30,000, traffic is about 10,000, number of pages about 165, and they monetize through drop shipping. So this is what you can do on Flippa, right? Reverse engineer as much as you can, as many as you can, websites, so you get an idea how to build, and you also get a motivation. Hey, if I can do 165 pages, right, articles, yeah, similar to them, yeah, and I can rank these keywords on the first page of Google, I have potential to make 30,000 or more. So this is something that will give you a good motivation. Spend some time on Flippa, reverse engineer, and I have not watched my other video on Flippa on AdSense. Please watch it. But this video is for Flippa using dropshipping and e-commerce. All the best.